How's it, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel? Today we're going to be talking about the Queen of Cups. Alright, so before we get started, subscribe to our channel and please make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated on all our future videos. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. The Queen of Cups is a beautiful introspective woman who sits on a throne at the edge of the sea. In her hands she holds a golden cup adorned with handles shaped like angels. Unlike most of the cups in the suit of cup cards, this cup is closed, showing that the Queen's thoughts and feelings come from her subconscious mind and the depths of her soul. She sits upon a stone throne decorated with images of sea nymphs, fish, and scallop shells. The sea and fish are symbols of the unconscious mind, and water represents emotion, spirit, and perception. A cloudless, bright blue sky and placid water of the sea surround her. Her feet do not touch the water, they rest on colorful pebbles on the shore. It is as if she is connected to her emotions, as represented by the water, but not overwhelmed by them. The Queen of Cups. All cups denote feelings and emotions, elements of water, zodiac sign of Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. A kind, virtuous woman with light brown hair and blue or hazel colored eyes, sympathetic and devoted, artistic, highly intuitive, creative poet, or gifted musician, quiet and protective, and may appear distant, enveloping herself in an air of mystery and enchanting, attractive with many friends. Keywords: virtuous, intuitive, attractive, warm, artistic, creative, protective, aloof, enchanting, a woman of vision. Alright, Celtic cross positions. Here are the positions. Key position 1 and flag position number 2. We've made a video called the Celtic cross. It explains all these positions for you. So I suggest you go watch that video. It's on the top right hand corner of this video. It's under suggested videos. Alright, so key position number 1, situation. This is all from the Celtic cross positions. A. You have the ability to understand the feelings of others involved in the situation and can convey compassion, knowing others will listen and make use of the information. B. You can make others aware of the role that feeling play in a situation. C. You can rethink your position in the situation and gain control over emotional reactions. Alright, so flag position number 2, challenge. A. Try your hand at expressing yourself artistically. B. Seek ways to allow divine love into your life. C. You certainly can believe more and have confidence in your own feelings at this time. Question. A. Do you understand what is happening in your relationship? B. Are your thoughts focused within your power of imagination? And C. How are you working expressing your unconscious thoughts? Alright, so the Queen of Cups in the upright position and the Queen of Cups in the reversed position. The Queen of Cups is nurturing, caring, compassionate, and sensitive. You are embodying her nurturing mother energy. You support others by listening with your heart, being compassionate, and caring for them deeply. You are empathetic and can sense the needs of others by tuning into your intuition and sensing their most authentic versions of themselves. You have mastered this in such a way that even though you don't take on other people's energies or emotional issues because you are well grounded and know where to create a healthy separation. In your interactions with others, you can easily read other people to get a sense of how to communicate effectively, enabling you both to feel heard and understood. They trust you and know that you always have the right solution. You may be a healer, counselor, or an intuitive coach, or maybe just a good friend. You recognize the divine in everyone you meet. In your creative projects and endeavors, you feel your way into them, trusting into your heart and your inner guidance to lead you in the right direction. You know when something is off, and you pay attention to this, even if it doesn't make rational sense. You may be in tune with the cycles of the moon and nature, using these cycles to manifest your goals and live your dreams. You are being asked to trust your intuition and pay attention to your feelings and emotions. Lead with your heart, not with your head. Alright, so the Queen of Cups in the reverse position. In other words, upside down. When the reversed Queen of Cups shows up in a tarot reading, you need to draw your attention inwards and focus on your emotional well-being. You're great at taking care of others, but now it's time to take care of you. This card suggests that you're emotionally drained because you've been so busy supporting others, but not yourself. You may need to set firm boundaries with your loved ones so that they know you love them, but you will not take on their emotional baggage. Ultimately, they are responsible for their own feelings and life experience, and they need to go on their own journey to learn how to cope. Alright, so that's it for our video on the Queen of Cups. Alright, our next video is going to be on the King of Cups, as you see in front of you. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and once again subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on the King of Cups, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube Bookside YouTube channel. Good day on you.